AVoverIPoE. This is ISC 2024. I'm here at the Crestron booth with Davin. Davin, hi.
Hi, how's it going, Tia?
Very well. Tell me a bit more about your NDI products.
Yes, so we have two NDI cameras right here. These come shipped with NDI, fully licensed, including the costs. We believe NDI is a great protocol to use for a one connection installation. Here I have the i20 camera. This is an award-winning, well, previously the Auto Tracker 3 was an award-winning presenter tracking camera, one of the first in the market, and this is the evolution of that. So it's designed to track a presenter over 50 feet or 15 meters, so very far distance, and we use NDI. As you can see in the back of the unit, we have PoE, and we use NDI for a one cable installation. We have other I/O too, but NDI really makes for a great install. As you can see, we implemented new features such as presenter tracking. In a bit, a second presenter will come in. We actually do group tracking as well, so multiple presenters. And we have other special sauce such as preset zones, which can trigger an action. We also have our PTZ cameras, and these are PTZ cameras that you would often use with Automate VX for up to 12 camera solution. And again, a one cable installation, so quite an amazing technology we have here. I'm going to pass it off to my colleague, John Scott, who's going to talk more about the Automate VX solution.
John, if I can bring you in quickly, what was the decision into adopting NDI as a protocol?
So NDI is really helping us to scale the solution for some of the largest rooms and provide a solution for that. So if you were using SDI on our system, then you'd be limited to 7 SDI inputs, so 7 cameras. In this case, we're going to scale up to 12 cameras for some of those really large boardrooms, high value, divisible spaces, auditoriums. So NDI is going to give us the quality and the kind of latency expectations that customers want for that solution. Yeah.
And some of that special sauce that Davin described, tell me a bit more about what's under the hood.
So with these cameras, effectively the NDI stream is coming into our server. We're going to ingest that, and it's going to allow us to cut in a very performative way to each shot. So everyone is going to get that meeting equity in the space. You're going to cover effectively a large space with, could be 20-person meeting room, and those people are going to actually, the far end is going to feel part of that meeting as if they're actually sitting in that meeting with them, because you're getting the natural reactions of the people, and because of the quality of the stream and the latency, then effectively it's like being in the room with those boardroom members, basically. Yeah.
Brilliant. And are these shipping now?
That's a question for Davin, actually.
Davin?
The cameras are shipping mid-February. We take orders now.
Okay. Thank you very much. Have a great show, guys.